a big 4-year-old right now, and he is in Parsons.
All right, and we've got Kinsley Joe Wools celebrating birthday number 4 as well. She is in Pittsburgh.
I'm trying to get a good picture. It's cool. I'm just trying to. Can you see it?
No, I can't see it. The camera's way too far away.
I don't know. I like it, Kinsley Joe.
There we go. Now I can see it. That's really cool.
Yeah, I like it. Mason Hickson is turning the number 5. Mason, a happy birthday to you. He's in Pittsburgh as well.
All right, and we've got Terry Swank celebrating birthday number 9 this year in Garland, Kansas. Happy birthday, Terry.
Now, we talk about Ethan Henry getting a year older because he's celebrating his 18th birthday, but he's actually known for being young. Now get this, Ethan is the youngest member in the history of the American Legion Honor Guard in Chanute. Ethan, that is awesome, my man. He is also a senior at Chanute Christian Academy. A very happy birthday to you.
That's really cool. Congratulations, and thank you for your service on that honor, Ethan. Madeline Bishop, turning 18 years old. Happy birthday, Madeline.
18, my goodness. Happy birthday, Maddie. Gracie Buchanan, she is celebrating her 19th birthday. Gracie's in Jasper.
And Kelly Harris, turning 40 years old this year. Kelly, happy birthday.
Kelly Wells, she's celebrating her 44th birthday. Miss Kelly, happy birthday in Columbus.
And in Girard, Brian Norton, turning 48 years old. A lovely picture there.
That is cool.
Norton family.
Dee Isle, now 67. A very happy birthday to Dee. That's a party going on right there in Chanute.
All right. And we've got Ethel Lee, who celebrated her 94th birthday last Saturday. She is in Jasper, Missouri. Happy birthday, Miss Ethel.
Christy Jackson Thomas, a very happy birthday to you. And Christy, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come specifically from your daughter-in-law.
All right. And in Baxter Springs, Kurt Zom, happy birthday to you.
Brandon and Shannon Lewis, they're celebrating their 9th anniversary. You notice that Brandon's in the fatigues right there, and it just so happens that as he celebrates his anniversary, he is also one of our 4 state heroes. So congratulations, and thank you, Brandon, and congratulations to both you and Shannon on 9 years. Judy Adams, celebrating her 66th birthday. A very happy birthday to Judy in Riverton. Cindy Ellis is celebrating in Joplin. And Laura Lee Davidson, she is turning 67. My goodness, it is a party-filled weekend in Chanute. It seemed like a ton of birthday parties out there. Happy birthday to Laura Lee. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this October the 19th. That's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com or hit us up on the website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Marcus, for coming bring me up. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today. Let's